You have PHA data, you have risk data that's been sitting there for ages collecting dust. You're doing nothing with it. You're spending millions of dollars a year on it, and it's going nowhere. What we can do is action that data. We can make it into an actionable learning. We can actually bring you value from something that you thought was a dud.
We're actually changing the game to use technology and artificial intelligence and machine learning to do those same manual tasks that you're doing with people by using technology and saving organizations time and money through those efforts. Risk Alive is allowing the opportunity for not just having the knowledge capture from the people in the room in a risk assessment or hazard and operability study, but it's now leveraging that industry data from others. So others with similar processes or equipment types, we're now able to use technology to access that information and that global knowledge so industry can benefit as a whole versus that siloed learning and that siloed knowledge within an organization or within a team. Once our clients understand that we're trying to do the noble thing and actually protect them and their people and industry, they really get on board in providing their data. And the objective is to support industry through compiling that data, through anonymizing that data, so the entire industry can benefit and benefit together as a whole versus individually as an organization.
It's not about counting actions as we've been doing in the last 20 years with these tools that some people out there promote. Management tools to manage actions and recommendations. This is not about that. It's about knowing which ones matter. In the years gone by, everybody knows that word database. But how do you make a database have texture, have touch, to feel like a book you're pulling off the shelf, or see the value in the data? When somebody says they have terabytes of data, what does that really mean? Well, we've actually converted all that database into basically an digitally augmented library. So eventually the idea is to eliminate grassroots risk assessment totally after you've done your first one, and basically come to the realization that there's no need to do that again as long as you keep track of the changes and you actually digitize all the changes, put them back into the system, and then you can let the data and the analytical tools point out where you need to focus on.